So I switched to this automatic litter box because I was so over scooping for 2 cats every single day. And most of the self-cleaning boxes, they're too small. They can't handle more than 1 cat. And this actually does both. And I like the open top design because it gives my larger cats plenty of room, and it automatically cleans after each use so the litter stays fresh without daily scooping. And also the extra large waste bin means fewer cleanouts with even more than 1 cat. And this is really great for large cats if you have a multi-cat home like I do, or anyone who just wants less litter box work. I would buy this again, and I hope you have an amazing day. And remember, you're unforgettable.